Hello friends! Welcome to Yoga for Flexibility. Today we will stretch our body, improve balance, and have fun with simple yoga poses. Let's get started. Standing balance stretch. Stand on one leg, hold your other foot behind you. Stretch one arm forward, keep your balance and breathe slowly. Great job! Butterfly stretch. Sit on the floor, bring your feet together, keep your back straight, gently stretch and relax. Wonderful! Happy sitting pose. Sit comfortably with crossed legs, smile and take a deep breath. Relax your body and mind. Excellent! Bridge pose. Place your hands and feet on the floor. Lift your body upward to make a bridge shape. Hold for a few seconds. Amazing! Tree pose. Stand on one leg. Place your foot on the other leg. Bring your hands together. Stay balanced like a strong tree. Fantastic! Extended balance pose. Lift one leg high behind you, reach one hand toward the floor, balance carefully, and stay focused. Wonderful! Side stretch pose. Sit comfortably, stretch one arm over your head, lean gently to the side, feel the stretch. Great work! Deep squat prayer pose. Lower into a squat position, bring your hands together, keep your chest lifted, hold and breathe. Excellent! Forward bend pose. Stand tall, slowly bend forward, and reach toward the floor. Relax your neck and shoulders. Amazing stretch! Camel pose. Kneel on the floor, gently arch your back, and look upward. Open your chest and breathe deeply. Fantastic! Amazing work, everyone! Today we practice balance, stretching, flexibility, and relaxation. These yoga poses help make our bodies stronger, healthier, and more flexible. Keep practicing every day and keep having fun. See you in the next yoga adventure.